We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and some of the most mispronounced names from Greek mythology. So make sure to stay tuned for those. So, how do you say it? Well, you have to say that in Greek, it is said as Minos. Minos. Yes, that's the original pronunciation now. In English, it is said two different ways, so two pronunciations are correct. In British English, it is generally pronounced as minus. Minus, yes, I know. While in American English, it is generally said as Minos. Minos, which is more closer to the original Greek pronunciation, so Minos, but it's fine also to say it as minus. It is correct also in English. More pronunciation or of interesting Greek names here too. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.